If you're gifted 50,000 naira today, what would you do with it? Would you spend it, save it, or try to invest it? If you want to keep growing your money instead of watching it disappear, you are in the right place. In this video, I will share with you exactly how I would handle 50,000 naira today. These are practical, realistic steps that anyone can take. And at the end, I will share with you apps and tools I personally recommend to help you start growing your money immediately. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing Salatoe, a certified chartered accountant. On this channel, I help people make smart investment decisions, invest wisely, and build financial freedom. So if you're new here, thank you for watching, but don't forget to click on that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always showing up. Before we dive in, you will find a number of links in the description box below. First is a link to Research 2026. This is a 2-hour practical money and investment class holding on the 3rd of January 2026, where I will share my screen and show you exactly how to invest in money market fund, FGN savings bond, treasury bills, stocks, ETFs, and more. And there are other bonuses. You will also find a link to Profit Circle. This is my private stock investment community where I share monthly stock recommendations. And you'll find links to a number of my ebook on different aspects of personal finance. These are resources that will help you to take action from what you've learned today. Before we dive in and before I start sharing with you the exact steps I will take to invest 50,000 naira, it is important that we need to understand why strategy matters. Most people fail to grow even small amounts of money because they either spend it impulsively or put it in a risky investment that they don't understand what they are doing. The key is a simple and balanced approach. Some to safety, some to growth, and some to personal development, such that even with just 50,000 naira, if you plan it carefully, you can start building a strong foundation for long-term wealth. Now, let me share with you 3 steps I will take to invest 50,000 naira. Step 1 is emergency and safety. I will take about 10,000 naira to 15,000 naira and put it in a safe and accessible fund like the money market fund. With the money market fund, my money is growing slightly, but it is liquid. So if I put my money in money market fund, I'm investing in a low risk investment where my money compounds daily. This means that my money earns interest on a daily basis. My capital is preserved because it is low risk, and then I get slight increase on my money every day. If you want proper guidance on how to invest in money market fund, you can find the link to my video in the description box below or register for Research 2026. Step 2 is what I call personal development and growth. Even if it is 5,000 naira to 7,000 naira, it can be buying a book on finance, it can be buying a course of finance, it can be buying a tool that will help me to save, budget, and track my expenses, or it can be paying for a training like the Research 2026 training that is holding on the 3rd of January 2026. 2026 is not going to magically change. You have to change how you handle your money. And on the 3rd of January 2026, I want to show you how. I'm hosting a 2-hour practical money and investment class called Research 2026. It's not theory, it's practical. I will share my screen and show you how to invest in money market fund, FGN savings bond, treasury bills, stocks, ETFs, and more. I will also show you a list of business ideas that you can start in 2026 to make profit. I will give you 3 stocks that you can jump in 2026 to make massive money from. And then you have access to 10% discount for my private stock investment community. Guess how much all these are valued for? Just 7,500 naira for early bird. The slots are very limited before the price jumps to 15,000 naira. So you want to secure your seat by clicking the link in the caption or description box below, and let's start 2026 the right way. And then the last step is investment and growth. The biggest portion, say 20 to 25k, will go towards investing in a safe and friendly stocks or ETFs. With apps like Bamboo, Trove, AfriInvest, I can get started with investing in the stock market. If I'm still skeptical about investing in the stock market, I can start with ETFs. With ETFs, it is very beginner friendly. I also have videos on how to invest in the stock market. But if you're wondering, I don't just want to second guess, you can join my Profit Circle, which is a private stock investment community where I drop stock recommendation on a monthly basis. This year alone, I gained about 251% on my access stocks, about 151% on Ella Lakes, and so much more. This is not second guessing, this is jumping into the stocks at the right time, knowing when to buy, knowing when to sell, knowing the right price to even enter so that you're not entering at the peak performance of a particular stock. So you see, with just 50,000 naira, I have mapped out how to properly invest it for growth. Now let's do a quick recap. Step one is emergency and safety net. I'll put it in money market fund. Step two is personal growth. I'll buy a course, buy a tool, or pay for a trading. Investing in my knowledge increases my capacity to earn more because I know that on the long run, my knowledge grows and my capacity to earn more grows. And lastly is growth and investment. I will invest in stocks or ETFs. Here is one thing I want you to know. Consistency beats luck. Don't wait till you have all the money before you start investing because 5,000 naira invested today can turn into millions of naira years later. And every day you delay, you are losing money because understand I said money market fund compounds daily. So every day you delay, you are losing that compound interest on a daily basis. Number two is the fact that avoid emotional investing. Don't go into an investment because this is what everybody is doing and you don't have proper understanding. You might be entering at the wrong time and it is your money that will be used for whatever it is. And then number three is to track your investment. Every month or every quarter, see how your investments are doing. Do you need to move things around in your portfolio? So that's exactly how I would invest my 50,000 naira today. Practical, balanced approach that grows my money over time. If you want to take action, start with the Reset 2026 and then move to joining the Profit Circle to grow and multiply your money. You can also pick one or two ebooks for more understanding and proper knowledge so that you can prepare for the training on January 2026. All the links will be in the description box below, together with apps and tools that I personally recommend. Now it's your time. I want to hear from you. If you get 50,000 naira today, what exactly would you do with it? Will you use it to buy that shoe that you've been eyeing, that bag that you've been eyeing? What exactly would you do with it? I will be reading up from you in the comment section. Till my next video, stay learning, stay investing, and stay growing. Cheers.